It's your girl ShauntéShaunté, and today I'm going to be trying a beauty product for you guys that I've had for a while. I actually bought it when I was out in Cali, and I used it a couple times in Cali because why not? Like, you'll see why I say why not. But I haven't really used it here in New York because like everyone here knows me and they know that it wouldn't be real. So let me stop beating around the bush. The product I'm talking about is Freck. So it gives you freckles wherever you want it. You apply it manually, and yeah, you could make it as intense as you want. The reason I used it in Cali was because like nobody really knew me there. My aunt, maybe like my two friends over there, but you know, my friends used it as well. So I was like, you know what? It was kind of cute. I wanted to try it, and this has been in my bag for months. I'm like, you know what? It's time, okay? So this little thing right here costs about $28 at Sephora. I'm gonna be applying it right now. Please excuse my fingernails. I'm gonna do them later. But I was like, you know what? I gotta give you guys a video. It's been a while. The way you apply it, I'm gonna be looking slightly in the mirror right here. But you put it wherever you want it. And then you take your finger and you distribute it so it looks even. I'm gonna, like, I don't know if you can really tell right there, but I'm gonna layer it on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm blending it too much. I won't blend it as much. Okay, now you can see it. No freckles? Freckles. I'm gonna put on a lot more. And then I'll show you guys before and after. Now, I don't usually wear it this obvious. I like it like really light, but I am showing you guys for the video. It still looks really cute though. And my favorite part, my nose. And like that, I'm done. Hopefully you guys can see. What if I try zooming in? Just like that, I'm a Cabbage Patch doll. So I'm gonna be seeing how long it wears. Right now it's 12:20. I'm going to check in with you in an hour. I will be going outside and I will be wearing a mask, so hopefully this doesn't get affected too much. Be right back. It's currently 1:20 and this is what we look like. I had the mask on, so I can't really see right now if the nose still has freckles. It looks like it does a little bit, but we Gucci. I'll be back for another update, but so far so good.
This one's cute. Yeah, this is like, yeah, that's sweet.
Okay, so you can't really see it right here, but it's kind of where the mask isn't. So what I would say is, she putting on something, my cute friend. So just wear it when you're not gonna wear a mask. If you're going somewhere, put it on after. Put it on after, okay? Longevity, 1 out of 10. Freckability, 10 out of 10, okay? It gives beautiful freckles. What do you think?
I think the longevity.
Wait, let me see if I could. The longevity what?
You can still see yours. It lasted.
But I put all the way up here. It was all here.
Oh,
and now it's just here.
I don't know why you need freckles up here.
That's where I wanted it.
Why would you need? Your hair probably took it off.
No, I had the mask on all day, so it's definitely the mask.
Oh yes, because they were COVID safe over here.
But yeah, recommend, but don't wear a mask.
Oh no, you have to wear a mask.
What? Oh no. You know what I mean. If you want to. Okay, bye.